Did you know that HIIT workouts can actually make you more flexible? Most people think it's just for burning calories, but there's a surprising twist. When you alternate between intense exercise bursts and rest periods in HIIT, your muscles undergo a natural stretching process. This dynamic movement pattern helps break down the stiffness that often plagues those with chronic conditions. The key lies in proper preparation, starting with dynamic stretches that target the specific muscle groups you'll be using. For example, leg swings before squat jumps or arm circles before mountain climbers can increase your range of motion by up to 30%. The secret to injury prevention during HIIT lies in timing these stretches right. Focus on moving stretches rather than static holds, and always warm up for at least 5 minutes. This approach not only protects your joints but also enhances your workout performance, making each movement more efficient and effective. Want to know the best dynamic stretches for your favorite HIIT exercises? Drop a comment below.